Good morning, everyone. How you doing? It is almost 7 o'clock here in Minnesota. And I'm going hunting again early in the morning. Gonna stay out there for a little bit, and then after that, we're gonna go home. Maybe after lunch or something. I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys are loving it. Thank you so much for liking and subscribe. And keep the comments coming up, and let me know what you guys think. And let's have fun. All right. So I'm gonna get going. I'll see you guys in the next scene. I'll just know if I get one or if I see one. I did see a few deer yesterday, which maybe comment, but they were not. But they were not in my shooting range, so couldn't really get one. But hopefully this will be the day. If not, I'll come back again 2 weeks during rifle season. And again, I am using a bow, so I hope to get one, but I won't be going out as much because I don't have the rifle. I have the bow, so I gotta wait my turn. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait my turn next week during rifle season. So I'll see you guys next scene, and go Hot Dog Nation. Peace. There's a wild turkey back over there. I see. Yeah, see the head right there. A wild turkey. I see two wild turkeys. Okay, guys, so I saw two doe. They were right there somewhere. They were running past my tree stand. My uncle and my cousin are doing some tree trimming back over there somewhere. But yeah, they were right behind that little stump right there. I could have got shot off. Well, I could have, but it was a little too late. I was trying to aim for them, but they seemed pretty quite small. But yeah, but maybe they'll turn around. Maybe they'll come back. They'll probably be back or not. But yeah, it was pretty awesome. All right, see you guys soon or next scene. Peace.
Hey, what is up, guys? So we made it home about like maybe an hour ago, and I just did a workout because I have not done a workout all week except for walking back and forth from my deer stand. So I am going to take a shower and get ready to have dinner at 6 and enjoy my night. And maybe do a live stream too, maybe because that's nice. Oh, I have a surprise. A package came for who? Good question. Me. So, get ready for the big surprise. You're gonna have a big smile. And I hope you enjoy it very well too. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit, maybe. But let's see what I can get done in the night. All right, go Hot Dog Nation. Peace. Oh, and at the deer stand, I saw a baby and a mom. The baby was behind the mom, and it was a good time too. So that was awesome. So, yeah, it was an awesome experience, awesome fun, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Okay, see you guys later. Go Hot Dog Nation. Peace.